Vocabulary that maybe you don't know yet. Stay focused. Catharsis, the process of releasing, and thereby providing relief from, strong or repressed emotions. Example: music is a means catharsis for them. Ferocious, frightening and violent. Example: a ferocious wind swept the beach. Sneak. If you sneak somewhere, you go there very quietly on foot, trying avoid being seen or heard. Example: don't sneak away and hide. Preside, to be in charge in a formal meeting, ceremony, or trial. Example: the Vice President will preside at today's meeting. Immaculate, perfectly clean or tidy. Example: an immaculate garden. Denigrate, to criticize unfairly. Example: you shouldn't denigrate people just because they have different beliefs from you. Jeopardy, danger of loss, harm, or failure. Example: the whole peace process is in jeopardy. Perpetual, never-ending or changing.
Example: they lived in perpetual fear of being discovered.
Breach, to break a law, promise, agreement, or relationship. Example: they breached the agreement they had made with their employer. Consolation, the comfort received by a person after a loss or disappointment. Example: her kind words were a consolation to me. Peremptory, expecting to be obeyed immediately and without a question. Example: just do it, came the peremptory reply. Prevaricate, to avoid telling the truth or saying exactly what you think. Example: he accused the minister of prevaricating. Procurement, the process of getting supplies. Example. Effective procurement strategies can help organization reduce costs and improve efficiency. Corrode, to destroy or damage metal, stone, or other materials slowly by chemical action. Example. Rainwater corroded the metal pipes. Drudgery, hard boring work. Example. He hated the drudgery of his job.
Augur, to be a sign of especially good or bad things in the future.
Example. The end of the Cold War seemed to augur well. Dietetics, the scientific study of the food that people eat and its effect on health. Example. They are taught a knowledge of dietetics and what are the best foods to cook. Feat, an achievement that requires great courage, skill, or strength. Example. Getting the house painted was quite a feat. Provident, making arrangements for future needs especially by saving money. Example. She had learned to be provident. Deduce, to reach an answer or a decision by thinking carefully about the known facts. Example. We cannot deduce very much from these figures. Preteen, a boy or girl between the ages of about 9-12. Example. A magazine for preteen. Treacherous. If you describe someone as treacherous, you mean that you are likely to betray you and cannot be trusted. Example. The president spoke of the treacherous intention of the enemy. Oligarchy, a small of people having control of a country or organization. Example. The corporation is ruled by oligarchy. Prevalent, existing very commonly or happening often. Example. These diseases are more prevalent among young children. Prevaricate, to avoid telling the truth or saying exactly what you think. Example. He seemed to prevaricate when journalists asked pointed questions. Thank you for watching. To make sure you don't miss the latest videos, please subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.